Want to eat healthier without counting every calorie? Here's how to build a balanced plate using macronutrients. Let's break it down, step by step. First up, protein. Protein is your body's building block. Repairs muscles, keeps you full. Helps with recovery after a workout. Chicken, fish, tofu, beans. Simple tip, fill about a quarter of your plate with a protein source. It doesn't have to be fancy, just consistent. Next, let's talk carbs. Carbohydrates are your body's main energy source. But not all carbs are equal. Whole grains, sweet potatoes, fruits, they give you steady energy. Keep those cravings in check. Again, about a quarter of your plate should be healthy carbs. Swap white rice for brown rice. Add quinoa instead of pasta. Now don't skip the fats. Healthy fats are crucial for your brain and hormones. Avocado, nuts, olive oil. You don't need a ton. A small spoonful or a sprinkle goes a long way. Drizzle a bit on your salad. Add a few slices of avocado to your plate. Let's not forget veggies and fiber. Half your plate should be colorful veggies. They add volume, pack nutrients, and help digestion. The more color, the better. Broccoli, peppers, leafy greens, carrots. Frozen veggies work great too. Half veggies, a quarter protein, a quarter healthy carbs, and a little healthy fat on top. This macro breakdown makes eating healthy simple and stress-free. Now you know how to balance your plate. Eat smarter and feel your best. Like, share, and subscribe for more nutrition tips.